Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 132-01. This is your 9/16 by 18 replacement trailer hub stud. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so we got the 132-01. This is your 9/16 by 18 inch thread replacement hub stud for your 7K and 8K trailer axles. The identifying markers on this guy is going to be 23H22 on the head right there, and we'll measure it out real quick. So the overall length of him is going to be 2.51 inches, so 2.5 inches long. And the knurl diameter right here, where it actually presses into the stud, the most important measurement in my opinion, is going to be 0.60 inches. 0.60. And the head diameter of the head will be 0.76, 3/4 of an inch. And of course it's 9/16 right here, as you can see. Thread portion, we'll measure that out real quick. It's going to be 1.54 inches, a little bit longer, about 1.57. Real common on 7K axles and 8K axles. So if you need some of these studs for your hubs, if you broke them off or sheared them off or whatever, you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.